Meaning of fine-tune.
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 Fine-tune. Fine-tune refers to the process of adjusting or optimizing a pre-existing machine learning model, such as GPT-3, for a specific task or dataset. This is typically done by training the existing model on new data, often with a smaller learning rate to prevent overfitting, and with fewer iterations. The goal is to improve the model's performance on the specific task at hand by adapting it to better suit the available data. Fine-tuning can result in a more accurate model that is better suited to the specific requirements of the task, with improved predictions and reduced errors.